Hello guys, in this part we'll learn how to get output and print text in C#. To output values or print text in C# you can use the WriteLine method. Example, console.WriteLine hello world. You can add as many WriteLine methods as you want. Note that it will add a new line for each method. Example, console.WriteLine I am learning C#, or console.WriteLine it is awesome. You can also output numbers and perform mathematical calculations. For example, console.WriteLine 3 plus 3. There is also a write method which is similar to WriteLine. The only difference is that it does not insert a new line at the end of output. Example, console.write hello world, or console.write I will print on the same line. Ctrl F5. For .NET 6, these codes and these brackets don't exist, so I omit these codes and Ctrl F5. The results are repetitive.